Jokes.
This is Pete, my very good buddy.
Hi.
He's making gingerbread. It's Christmas time. Go ahead, Pete.
Thanks.
This is Finland, like it should be. It used to be before World War II.
Tää kuoli tää. Kohta me ottaa uusiksi. Hei, nyt tää ei kyllä onnistu. Me odotamme ottaa uusiksi tää homma.
Yeah, way to go, Pete. I guess if we're doing these, just keep on doing them. We'll have a great big Finland after all. Pete making gingerbread. Hi, bye bye.